Welcome to a series of how-to videos about managing your payroll and payments cycle on the Papaya platform. In this section, you will learn how to make salary updates on a project level. Payroll updates can be made easily on the project or company level, depending on access permissions. Once you are logged into the Papaya platform, click Payroll in the Projects list, click the project you want to add the information to. Now you can see the project's cycle information such as cutoff date, payments date, active workers in the cycle, and how many files were uploaded to the project during the current cycle. Click on the Salary Updates tab, then scroll down to the Salaries section. You can add an inactive worker to the cycle from here if needed. Click the three-dot menu and then click on Add Inactive Worker. Choose the worker you want to add from the list and click on Update. Now the worker will be a part of the cycle. Export the file with all workers' data. Open the downloaded XLS file and enable editing if required. This file allows you to update variable items as needed. To make permanent changes to a worker's compensation items, use the platform's project salary updates. The numbers in red show the changes from the last import. Once you are done making your updates, save the file. Updates are saved on the platform only when the file with the changes is imported. Click Import and upload the file to the Papaya platform. Click the three dots and then click View Import Activity to see who imported files and when. You can see the files that were imported, the log, and the import's details. You can keep editing the data until the cutoff date. After cutoff, the data is locked and sent for payroll processing.